How to create a score system, part 1, increase the score.
Hi guys, if you want to add a score system, you must first use the UI system. To do that, please right click and choose UI then text. You will see that a canvas, which is this rectangle, will appear in your scene, and even another game object, which is the event system. Please never erase this one. Guys, for instance, the text game object do not appear, so let's click on it and let's move it above. Let's say we'd like to put it in the corner, in the left top corner, let's say here. And then guys, let's even anchor it. To do it, you must choose, guys, here anchor preset and choose the top left of the screen. In that manner, even if you change the resolution of the screen, the text box game object will always stay on the top left of the screen. Guys, let's verify that. If we go in the game mode, the game window, you can see now appear our text. Let's change it to score. To do that, you have to go here, and inside this box you have to change this text property by, let's say, score, like that. And then guys, you can even change the font size if you want something bigger. Let's change it to 20 to see if it's better. Guys, let's change this name, the text, by score txt. Guys, then let's create a new script and call it score script. Guys, be sure that your score script is inside the script folder, so take it if needed and put it inside. Guys, to monitor the score, there are two parts. So in the first part, we must add score to player when he collides with versus, and the second part is the strategy to monitor the score. So let's see the first part. So guys, to add score to player, we must first create and assign a variable of type integer inside the variable and inside the assigning zone. Inside this script, the score script. Then guys, we must communicate this score variable to the player controller script. So to make the communication between the score script and the player controller script, we must use the word static in the line when we create the score variable. So third, now inside the player controller script, we must manipulate the score variable on increasing its value by 10, and inside a method, as I told you, that we will create inside the player controller script. And fourth, we must call this method inside the relevant predefined method of Unity. May I call the method that contains the score variable inside the update method or inside the onCollision enter 2D method? That's the question, guys. Guys, let's create a score variable to collect the score of the player. Its type is int for integer, and even let's put the word public at the beginning. Guys, let's assign its value to the value of 0, as when we begin a game there is no score for the player. Guys, let's communicate this score variable, which belongs to score script, to the player controller script. So guys, we go just below at the end. I already create an add score, and the goal is to increase the score variable by 10, for example, or 20, or whatever you want, when the player collide with the any purse. So to do so, you need to type score, which is the value, the new value of the score, equal to the old value of the score. So before to collide with purses, and plus add 10 points. But you can see there's still error. It is written that the name score does not exist in the current context. It means that the player controller script do not figure out what means this score, even if we have created it inside the score script. So what we have to do, we must first put the word static here to communicate the score to the player controller script, but you can see there is still red underline, which means error. Why? Because we have to precise that this score variable belongs to the score script. So let's add at the beginning of the score variable score script, and then point. So you can see now the red underline disappear. Let's do the same things here. So score script, points, and everything is fine now, guys. So guys, the last step is to call the add score method inside the relevant predefined method of Unity. As I told you, may I call the add score method inside the update or inside the onCollision enter 2D method of the player controller script. Guys, it's logical to call it from the onCollision enter 2D because you create a collision between the player and the purse. So guys, let's call the add score method inside the onCollision enter 2D. So guys, let's create a condition similar to this one. I mean, we create this one when the player collide with the ground. So this time we want a collision between the player and the purses. So let's copy those lines and let's paste it inside the onCollision and enter 2D method. And this time we will change the tag on replacing the word ground by purse. And this line is not needed, but we have to call the add score method. So guys, what does it mean? It means when an other object than the player is got a tag which is the purse, we must call the add score method to add to the old value of the score the number 10.
So guys, let's save those two scripts, I mean the score script and the player controller script, on clicking here, save all icons, and then let's return to Unity. And guys, we must be sure that the collectibles, I mean the purse, contains their tag. So let's open here, let's select the first purse, and you must add tag here. Let's click here the plus and choose purse and save. So now return to the purse game object and choose here the word purse. This is the purse tag, and then to apply to all the other purse you must override here and select apply all. Guys, let's run the game to see if what we wrote is applied. So guys, if I move and collide with the pulse. Let's see. Okay, the score did not change. I mean, there is not score. Why? Because we forgot to monitor the score. So we have to complete our scripts. Guys, to increase the score, you must first create and assign a score variable inside a new script called score script. You have to type public static score and assign the score variable to the value of 0. Second, manipulate the score variable after creating a method, I mean a new method inside the player controller script. On typing score script, so the name of the script which contains the score variable, dot the name of the variable that you want to increase, equal to score script.score plus the value of 10 if you want to increase by 10. Third, call this method inside the onCollisionEntered2D method. Guys, let's see in the next video how to monitor the score.